really love Spectacular Spider-Man, and it's probably objectively the best Spider-Man cartoon, but, you know, after rewatching it 26 times, I just feel like I want something more. Wait. What's that? Ah!
Come on, y'all!
And I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace. No doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer.
Guys, today we're gonna unbox the best Spider-Man show, Spidey and his amazing friends on DVD, you know, Spidey, Ghost Spider, and Spin. Oh my gosh, this is just so great. I'm so happy to have this on DVD. Look at that, Spidey teams up with his pals to become the Spidey team. That's so cool. Look at their designs. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just can't wait to get this open. So yeah, as you can see, 12 episodes plus 11 shorts. That's so much content. This is literally amazing. Come on, I gotta get this open. Oh, yes. Alright, here we go. We're getting in it. And here we are. One last look. Alright, let's see. Wow. Just look at the quality of the case and the disc. Wow, does this ever reek of plastic? Alright, this is pretty exciting. I can't wait to watch this. It's like, wow. Oh yeah. Spectacular Spider-Man, get out of the way. This is what it's all about. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.